At Abu Cafe today, we are gonna talk about how easy it is to sell cottage food as well as the checklist to beginning and operating your cottage food business. So let's get started while experimenting a new recipe for my business, Abu Cafe. Let's go. Cottage food basically means that baking food out of your house and selling them. Tell you about the checklist for beginning and operating cottage food operations that I've learned as far as right now. So number one is that read the basic rules for cottage law, know the laws and your rights. This is very critical. Now, and I live in the great state of Texas. So I basically just went and looked up Texas law cottage food and just read all the laws that required it. And this is good for you because you can know what's your right, and it's just better to have that knowledge in your head. So number two is like pick your products. Verify that your products can be sold under the law. This because some products actually cannot be sold within, at least in my state, some products are not allowed, but they will give you a list of products that you can sell within the law in Texas or other states or countries that you can sell them with. And number three is like complete the basic food safety education or training program for food handlers. And this is actually pretty easy. I thought it was going to be hard, but it's basically just food handlers certification. Normally it costs you less than $20. You need to have certification. It expires every 3 years. So you just have to go back and take a test. And then you have 2 chances to take the test. If you fail the second one, you just have to do the whole class. Number 4 is like create your legal required food labels. This means that you have a label that you're going to put on your products, and it's going to be like saying this food was made at home at this location, and every product has, if it has egg, peanuts, or anything requirement, you have to make those labels and they have to indicate that on your products. 5 is it's a business we're building, so you need to develop a business plan. How much does your product cost that you're making, and how much will you be selling for? Where will you sell it? How will you market your business? For example, I'm doing this right now. You could use Instagram, Facebook, and even like local, if you're in a small town, local newspapers, even put that an ad over there. That could help you. And even word of mouth. That is a great marketing. If you know your friends, tell your friends who can tell their friends, or use your family as a marketing ways to do it. Number 6 is that check with the tax compliers to see if your products are subject to sales tax, and if you need to obtain sales, use permit or cost fees. Those are important. Number 7 is pick a business name that other people do not have. You can register it. It's called DBA. This ensures that no one else in your country can use your business name, and usually costs about $20 or less sometimes. So do that. Number 8 is speak with a tax legal professional. That is so important. In the beginning of your business, maybe you don't have to, but as you grow it, make sure you do that, because it just helps you structure your business where it could be either LLC or other entities of a business category you want to put in. Taxation is everything. Number 9 is open a business bank account. I really did not think about this before, and that also gives you just a clear picture of what you're making, how much it's costing you, and you can keep track of it, so it's not a blur. Open up your own bank account for your business, separate one. Number 10 is set up websites, and then like Facebook page marketing, order an inexpensive business like business cards, and even labels, logos for your products is so important, so it makes you stand out, and that's a means to market. And number 11 is this: start your business. At the end of the day, if your family is telling you, I love your food, you can literally sell this and I will buy this, that's your indication to start that business. After you have all that checklist, start your business. And my theory is this: I want to love people with the food that I make with my own hands, and what a blessing that is. So just started, and this is the end of Abu Cafe, how you can easily start your bakery. And I made you this delicious soft banana bread. That's it.